Hey everyone, Joffrey here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about smartphones of the year, the Vivo V50 5G. Vivo has been making waves in the mid-range segment with its V series, and this device has no exception. Packed with a stunning design, impressive camera capabilities, and top-tier performance, this phone is aiming to be a game changer. But is it worth your hard-earned money? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about this phone. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest tech reviews. Alright, let's get started. First impression matter, and the Vivo V50 doesn't disappoint. The phone features a sleek glass backed with a matte finish that not only looks premium but also resists fingerprints, a huge plus for those who hate smudges. The plastic frame adds durability while maintaining a lightweight feel, weighing in at just 182 grams and measuring 7.7 millimeters thin. The device is available in three stunning colors, like Ancora Red, Starry Blue, and Satin Black. The curved edges and curved back make it comfortable to hold, even during long usage sessions. Vivo has also included an IP68 and IP69 rating for dust and water resistance and high-pressure water jets, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. The bezels are razor-thin, with a small punch hole cut out for the front camera, giving the display a modern, edge-to-edge look. Overall, the design is both elegant and functional. Moving on with its display, it has 6.77-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 4,500 nits. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching videos, or gaming, the display delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. The HDR10 Plus support ensures a fantastic viewing experience for streaming high-quality content. What's impressive is the Diamond Shield glass protection, which adds an extra layer of durability against scratches and drops. The in-display fingerprint scanner is fast and accurate, making unlocking your phone a breeze. Now under the hood, the Vivo V50 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, built on a 4nm architecture, paired with 12GB of RAM with an additional 12GB of virtual RAM and two storage options of 256GB and 512GB of internal storage. This phone is a powerhouse. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding apps, the V50 handles it all with ease. The Adreno 720 GPU ensures a smooth graphics performance, making it a great choice for mobile gamers. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring future-proof performance for years to come. In benchmarks, this device scores impressively, putting it ahead of many competitors in its price range. Now let's talk about the camera, the crown jewel of the Vivo V50. The phone features a dual camera setup, a 50-megapixel primary sensor with optical image stabilization, co-engineered with Zeiss optics, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The results? Absolutely stunning. In daylight, the photos are sharp, detailed, and packed with vibrant colors. The ultra-wide lens captures expansive scenes without significant distortion. On the front, there's a 50-megapixel selfie camera that takes excellent selfies and supports 4K video recording. For video enthusiasts, this device is capable on shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second with excellent stabilization, making it perfect for vlogging or capturing memories. Moreover, with the battery performance, the Vivo V50 is equipped with a massive 6,000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day of heavy usage. When it's time to recharge, the 90 watts flash charge technology is a game changer, taking the phone from 0 to 100% in just under 45 minutes. On the software side, the phone runs on FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15 with up to 3 years Android major upgrades. The interface is clean, intuitive, and packed with AI useful features like Google Gemini, live call translation, AI transcript assist, and AI screen translation. Vivo has also included an ultra-large vapor cooling system to keep the phone cool during intense gaming sessions or multitasking. So how much does the Vivo V50 5G cost? The phone is priced at 1,799 AED for 256GB storage and 1,999 AED for 512GB here in Dubai, placing it in direct competition with devices like the Samsung Galaxy A55 and the Xiaomi 14T. For the features it offers, the V50 is a solid value proposition. But is it worth buying? If you're looking for a mid-range smartphone with a premium design, excellent camera performance, and fast charging, the Vivo V50 is definitely worth considering. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are more affordable options out there. Alright, that's for today's review of the Vivo V50 5G. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this kind of review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.